So once in a while, I get a session, and that session originally had a 2-track, but the specific studio that I get these sessions from make that 2-track into a mono track. I really never understood why, and I always have to fix it. So over here, I got this track that I'm working on. It's called King of the Universe. Right away, you're gonna notice the kick and the snare. It's all printed to one track, and on purpose, it's a mono track. So if we solo that, so how can we fix that? We're gonna be taking a look at Stereo Maker by plugging a line. So currently it's disabled. Here's where we started. With the plugin on. Before. Now I'm gonna play everything together. So I'm gonna take this track out of solo. Here's where we started. With.